If you cannot access your Plex Media server on the Ubuntu distro, your firewall on Ubuntu might have blocked it, as you can see on this screen. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to configure the UFW for Plex Media Server. UFW is the most user-friendly firewall available in Linux. You can see when I disable the firewall UFW on my Plex Media server on KDE Neon, I then have access to the movie folder. When I enable the firewall again, I lost access to the movie folder in the KDE Neon Plex Media server. Now, let's configure the firewall, which will allow traffic on specified ports of the Plex Media server. The commands will be in the description. First, let's create a UFW application profile by typing sudo nano etc for applications.d plexmediaserver. Then copy the text in the description to it, then Ctrl+O to save, and Ctrl+X to exit. Second, update the list of profiles using sudo UFW app update Plex Media server. Third, configure new rules for the firewall using command sudo UFW allow Plex Media server-all. Finally, let's verify whether the rules are configured or not by typing sudo UFW status for both. If the configuration is successful, you will see the same output as on this screen. On the left, you can see we now have access to the movie folder in the KDE Neon Plex Media server again with the firewall enabled. The phone app is also working as well. If the firewall is not the cause, you can try to re-download the Plex Media server and reinstall following the screen instructions. If this does not work for you, please leave a comment, I will look into it. Thank you.